As one of the most romantic destinations in the world, the Maldives is a beautiful place to explore. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the 10 reasons to visit the Maldives. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, let's begin with the breathtaking overwater bungalows. The Maldives is famous for its luxurious overwater bungalows, offering direct access to the crystal clear waters of the Indian Ocean. Of course, what a private villa includes will vary depending on the resort, but you can enjoy sunrises and sunsets, relaxation, and even your own infinity pool in some of the resorts as well. Then we have the pristine white sandy beaches. The Maldives is home to some of the most stunning white sand beaches in the world, with powdery soft sand and clear turquoise waters, creating a picture-perfect experience. Whether you are sunbathing, taking a leisurely stroll, or simply enjoying the serene atmosphere, the beaches here feel like paradise. Unlike many other tropical destinations, these shores remain uncrowded, offering a peaceful retreat where you can fully unwind. Another reason to visit the Maldives is for the marine life. Home to an abundance of marine species, the Maldives is a paradise for snorkeling enthusiasts. The shallow coral reefs surrounding the islands are teeming with vibrant fish, sea turtles, manta rays, and even reef sharks. Snorkeling in the Maldives allows you to witness the incredible biodiversity up close, making it a thrilling yet peaceful way to explore the underwater world. And for those more adventurous travellers, their next reason to visit is for the world-class scuba diving. The Maldives offers world-renowned scuba diving experiences with over 1,000 coral islands and numerous dive sites where divers can explore vibrant coral reefs, shipwrecks, and even deep-sea caves. The warm waters and excellent visibility make it one of the best places in the world to encounter whale sharks, hammerhead sharks, and manta rays. If you are a food lover, you will also enjoy visiting the Maldives as well. The Maldives cuisine offers a blend of Indian, Sri Lankan, and Arabic influences, offering fresh seafood, coconut-infused dishes, and spicy curries. We recommend trying the tuna and coconut salad and the fragrant fish soup. You can also enjoy the beautiful, unique experiences like dining on the beach under the stars, which can enhance your culinary experience. And then one of the most romantic experiences in the Maldives, and another reason to visit, is the incredible sunsets. Whether you are watching a sunset from your villa or taking a sunset cruise, you can't help but be impressed by the sunsets here. There are lots of cruise options available, especially if you are looking for a romantic experience, with some even offering champagne and canapes. We will leave some links in the description for some recommended cruises. Another great thing to do in the Maldives and a reason to visit is for the private island resorts. So the Maldives is home to some of the world's most exclusive and luxurious private islands. Here you will find resorts which offer unmatched privacy, personalised experiences, and breathtaking surroundings, creating the perfect setting for honeymooners and luxury travellers. There are also islands here that don't have resorts on them, which make for a perfect day trip, especially with a private tour. Again, we will leave links to that in the description. Another reason to visit is for the bioluminescent beaches. A magical natural experience in the Maldives is the bioluminescent beaches, where the shoreline glows at night due to the presence of bioluminescent plankton. This rare spectacle creates a surreal, dreamlike experience as the waves sparkle under the night sky. Another reason to visit is for the wellness and relaxation. This is truly at the heart of a Maldives experience, with numerous luxury resorts offering world-class spa treatments. Many spa facilities are set over water or in lush tropical gardens, providing a serene ambiance for massages, aromatherapy, and holistic treatments. And lastly, another reason to visit the Maldives is that you can visit all year round. The Maldives enjoys a warm tropical climate throughout the year, making it an ideal destination for sun seekers. With temperatures averaging between 25 to 31 degrees Celsius or 77 to 88 Fahrenheit, you can enjoy beach activities, water sports and island hopping no matter when you visit. Even during the monsoon season, rainfall is often brief and followed by sunshine, ensuring a delightful holiday experience. Watch this video to find out the things to know before you go to the Maldives. Then to find out the 15 most romantic places to visit in Asia, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in the Maldives and stay creative.